Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term STG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, STG is a way to swear to God or promise that what you're saying is true. People use it when they want to show seriousness or honesty in conversations. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. STG first showed up in early internet slang around the 2000s as a quick way to emphasize honesty in chats. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among teens and young adults online. Now let's check out how to use STG in a sentence. Correct example 1, I finished the project on time despite the delays. Correct example 2, STG, that movie was the best I've seen all year. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said STG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using STG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. STG means swear to God, used to promise truth or seriousness. It started in early internet slang around the 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with STG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.